Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. 欢迎你们来到今天星期三的晚上啊。Okay, hi, thank you for coming in, guys. Alright, so yes, we are back here again. Well, 好了，那么希望大家都喜欢这个单元啊。Okay, if you like this program, remember to give me a like on my video. Alright, so that we will know that your response is a positive one, that we will continue to have such a program to help each other in your trading. All right. So okay, I think probably it's a good night here, okay, in this Asia, right? Okay, weather is turning cold, so yes, please take care. Yeah, hi Hubert, hi CK, 你好 all right. So 在这边哈 Okay, can you give me an NT4? I think they wouldn't want to see my face that much. Okay, so yes, hi Mr. Xia, 你好 Alright, okay, yeah, that's interesting, huh? Okay, thank you for coming in, guys. 谢谢大家，哎，记得订阅我的频道。Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, okay, so what are we going to have today, right? Okay, so let's see. Since we are all here, let's have a little chat here today with all of you again. Okay, before we actually go into our topic. All right. All right. So, did anyone get any TP today in this Euro hours? Okay. Would you like to share with me so that maybe we can just go through a little bit? Okay. Same thing. I will be going through. Let me go through the profit taking, how we actually take profits, so that we have a recap. So each time when you actually enter a trade, okay, and when you get a TP, remember to recap, okay, remember to revise back, so that the memory will be stronger, it will be deeper, okay。好的，那么现在在这里哈，OK，我今天一样啊，还是有很多个频道哈，所以呢，大家进来的时候，大家都要有耐心等我回复大家的问题，好吗？OK，好的哈，Yes 啊，so nice，OK，good，all right，very good，all right，so 好吧，那么来我们来看看一下，so well this hour，OK，I just had my lunch. Oh, that's nice. Okay, that's good. Hubert, you just had your lunch. All right, that's great. Okay. Hi, Roger. 你好. Okay. Hi, 曼威你好. Sawadee Okay, 好的哈. Did anyone get any TP today? All right. So just share with me so that we have a quick recap. Okay, a quick revision, a quick revise about how you actually manage to capture the profit. All right. All right. Thank you, Roger, for sharing out the video for me. Thank you so much. 好的哈。I think today we have kind of relax today. Okay. 蛮外 Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. Okay. You managed to capture Pound Aussie, huh? The rest have not responded any. All right, so let's take a look at Pound Aussie. Okay, so Pound Aussie, let's take a look. All right, Pound Aussie. Okay, Pound Aussie. How did we manage to capture the TP? Okay, how did we manage to capture the TP? Huh? All right, so is there anyone from the Euro? Mr. Xia also G8, 10 pips. Okay, GU 15 pips. Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. All right. Very good. All right. Korea are still having their dinner. Okay. Hi, Mika. Yes, thank you. Every week I will have to get some sweetie dessert to attend your night version so that I will not fall asleep. And this is real late here. Okay, that's true. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay, now, So what else here? Okay, let's see. What do we have here? Okay, that's a pretty good. All right. Sawadee krap, Mr. Toto. All right. Dollar CAD bullish. Okay, expect further carry by BOC press release tonight. Okay, Calvin, right? Calvin. Okay, Calvin, where are you from, Calvin? Well, okay, you dollar CAD. All right, yeah, that's true. Okay, dollar CAD. Okay, that's nice. Okay, regarding the BOC press conference, am I right? Okay. Okay, yeah, very likely. Okay, very likely. So these are SRWK. SRWK. You mean do you mean in Malaysia, Sarawak, or do you mean in Russia? Okay. All right. Yes. Dollar. We are actually expecting it to have it's quite bullish. Going to be quite bullish. All right. Dollar CAD. So bullish. So that dollar CAD going to be bullish. Yeah. That's why. I think today we managed to short pound dollar. All this, right? All right. Oh yeah. Sarawak. Okay. Nice. Nice. Calvin. All right. Sarawak is quite a nice place. Okay. All right. So yes. I'm so glad that you can understand me. 你是听得懂我的英文吗？希望你听得懂我的英文哈。OK，OK，that's good. Alright, so welcome in 。好了，欢迎你进来了哈，101。OK， 好吧 ，we are going to start now. Okay, so today we are holding over, stretching over the platforms from Facebook, YouTube, IG. Alright, and of course, we have this. I don't know what you call this. Uh, this app, what do you call this? 全民 Okay, all right. So, yep, I hope. Okay, so we have various of platforms tonight. So if I didn't manage to get you, okay, because of a different screen that over here I have. All right, so I hope, pardon me, okay, bring me again if I didn't answer your questions on time. All right, but definitely I will still try to answer every questions together. Okay, all right. So yes, okay, thank you for coming in, guys. Okay, Lisa, wow, thank you so much. You're not going to sleep in Sydney. Okay, so yes, let's go. How Aussie? Okay, before 2030. Okay, now. Okay, before this 15:30 in MT4 time. Okay, we take about 15 minutes to go through what we have taken profit this for the first half of the day. All right. Okay, so now let's see. In Pound Aussie, today we are talking about Pound Aussie, right over here. With the resistance over here, right? So it actually rose up and rose up here, and we have a red dot. The resistance formed over here. Okay, I guess this is where you actually take your entry. Okay, so I just based on this part here. Okay, and over here this is the time where we have a resistance down here. Okay, I will still be conducting in English and Mandarin. 好，放心。OK， 如果讲太多英文的话，来记得提醒我一下哈。OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so now let's go. Okay, when we have a resistance down here, okay, the first thing that I want to look out for in my M5 timing that I want to have a clear strength. M5 in my system here, this aqua line, okay, when it moves and cross over the white line over here, the red candle fall below the lines here. Okay, it shows very clearly that this short selling, okay, we are in the strength to short. Okay, we have enough to press it. Okay, 好的。Then again, let's quickly recap. Okay, how am I going to enter for a trade? Wow, this is so perfect, huh? All right. So over here, pink arrow in M1. I always take my entry in M1 is because I want that very moment, okay, that very moment of entry, then I will take a shot. All right. Okay. So this aqua line, when it cross over from below the white line to the purple line over here, this particular minute around this area, okay, or even at this area, okay, and I will take my short position. All right. Okay. So over here it runs about 28 pips, about there. Okay, about 28 pips. So this is how I actually enter for my trades and get my profits. Okay, from analyzing the direction to short, which is the H1, and also in M5, where my system gives me the signal over here. Okay, that tells me that it has enough strength to continue to press down. Then I will take a shot in M1. All right, in M1, when I see pink arrow aqua is crossing over the white line and to the purple line, red candle below all the lines, and that is where I will start to short. Okay, right. Okay, I think pretty easy because I'm following a system. I'm following my system here to actually give me enough analysis. Okay, so that I have for me able to enter at a very relaxed mood. All right. 好啊，那么我们来回顾一下哈，今天呢，我们今天早上不是，对不起，马来西亚是在下午的时候 ，OK， 在这里哈，我们就一直在看的说这个要么就回调，不然就是先突破，对不对？它回调空间变大了嘛，对不对？回调到这个压力位置的这个范围的时候啊，像这样红点出现的时候，水蓝线在白线下面，就告诉了我这个呢做空的可能性较高，好不好？ 那么当有绿红的蜡烛出现的时候呢，这一段啊，在这里就是我的一个显示告诉我说现在要做空了，做空的现象就是往下跌的啦，好不好？สวัสดีครับโยกินข้าวแล้วไหม Okay, I have to practice more on my Thai now, huh? We are going to see each other real soon. OK， 所以这个 M5啊 ，OK，M5 这里哈，这个许蓝线是我蛮关注的一个线哈。那么呢，这许蓝线呢，在我系统里面一割过白线的时候啊，这个红蜡烛啊，在这个线下面的时候呢，就很明显的可以告诉了我呢，现在往下推的力度已经开始了。OK， 开始了。OK， 这里呢是在形成当中，然后来到这一段的时候呢，它就是要开始往下跌了。既然我们都知道方向，我们也知道力度了，那么很快呢，我们就要进入我的1分钟的周期里面啊，要看到这个 pink arrow，OK， 粉色箭头，水蓝线割下白线在紫线下面的时候呢，红蜡烛在这些线下面的时候啊，这个就是我要进场的时候了。OK， 我会按照这样的系统来进场，这些都是来帮我克制哦，我不要乱七八糟的进场的方式哈。所以按照系统来做的话是最好不过了，对不对？OK， 所以从这里的话呢，在这里哈，我们在这里拿到的盈利就是按照这样的方式来进场啊。OK。Alright, so next, Mr. Xiao was saying that he actually took a profit from this pound dollar. Am I right? Pound dollar. Okay. So pound dollar. All right. Another one that I was talking about it today because I was looking at the dollar will be strong today. So any currency associated with this dollar pair, okay, as a base currency, likely it will have a short. You see, but of course, I'm not God. I don't really can predict that it will fall. Okay. All right. So I'm still following the same old system. Okay. Red dot. Okay. We are still on the resistance level. Correct. We are still on the resistance level over here, which I talk about it before the market starts today. All right. So in M5 and M5, we have pink arrow, aqua cuts below the white line. It's over here where candle started to go below the aqua line over here, this part. And I know the strength start to come just like this pound Aussie. So I wanted to look out for my trigger point. All right, the trigger point, huh? Okay, so this trigger point, yep. And in this trigger point over here, now look at this trigger point. I always take a trigger point in M1. Okay, M1. All right, let me take down some notes, huh? Okay, so let's take a look. What do we have here? Pink arrow, can you see? Aqua cuts below the white and the purple line here, right? Around here, this area, where the aqua line goes below the white, below the purple, red candle fall below all the lines here. This is where we actually take a short position and go for our 5 pips or 10 pips, okay, depending on the situation and the space available, okay? So yeah, this is how I enter for a trade, huh? All right. So yes, okay. So we have just a recap on this pound Aussie and also this pound CAD. All right. 好吧，那么在这里啊，我们这样看的话呢，现在这样看啊，我们看来是怎么进场的哈，在这里怎么分析？我一般呢，我都会是在这个1小时图里面哈，我就会开始分析出这个压力位置在哪里。所以我就希望等着那几个小时啊，那个压力位置出现在我的这个新的压力啊，出现在我的压力位置的范围里面的时候呢，红点水蓝线在白线下面啊，这个就是我喜欢的。这个就是有一个现象告诉我说，现在开始要做空了 ，OK， 所以呢，在这一段里面我就会注意这些哈，然后呢，方向有了，我就会开始呢，在这个棒美的这个5分钟图，在这5分钟图里面，我开始去看说，在我系统里面有没有这个粉色箭头，水蓝线割过这个白线，割过这个直线，然后呢，在这个红色蜡烛啊，处在这个水蓝线的下面的时候呢，在这里啊， 然后才开始知道说这样的一个行程啊，就告诉我说，其实我的这个做空的压力就来了。OK， 好，等一下我会解释什么那个压力哈，有人问的问题了哈。OK， 那个往下跌的趋势要出现了，所以呢，我要抓紧啊，这个在抓的最准的那个当下进场点，因为不要等它错过了我才进场。OK， 我是要等它在那一刹那看到有人开始进场做空，所以我也要用最当下1分钟的图来看哈。所以呢，在这一端呢 ，Pin Arrow 许然先割下白线和直线之后啊，红色蜡烛在所有线底下以后啊，我知道说这样的行程啊，像这样的行程以后，就知道说这个当下是我要进场的时候了。所以这个时候呢，我就会在这里进场做空。那么往上下一个8个点下来20个点，好吧？那个现在这个我只要拿5到10个点的话，我已经出单了 ，OK， 已经出去了。那么当然了哈，就是当然我们要进场和要拿多少的时候呢，一般都要考虑到的就是我们到这个支撑位置还有多少的空间足够我拿我的盈利，这是非常重要的一个部分哈。OK， 好不好？All right, so yep, that's right. Okay, all right. So yes, that's correct. So now, yeah. So this is the recap for what we have for today. All right. So yep. And what are we going to talk about today? All right. Yes, I'm going to. Yeah. What we are going to. Yeah. Let's talk about what we are going to focus. Okay. Support level. Okay, now today we are going to talk about things like this situation. Okay, situation. Okay, we are going to talk about situation. All right. So the situation over in the forex trading, we have to understand. We got to understand what is the situation at that moment when we are doing our trading. Okay, so when we are trading, we need to know. Okay, so because why is that? It's because when we know our situation, when we know the current situation in the currency pairs, more or less we will be able to see what's happening and what kind of strategy shall we use, what kind of entry can we take, how many pips of profits we are looking at. Okay, so the situation is very important. Okay, all right. Hi, Mr. Bay, 你好. Okay, all right. So and Chai. Oh, sorry, not Chai. Okay, Chai Tarat. Okay, Sawadee Krab. I think you are Thai, Okay, I think you are from Thailand. Okay. Okay, so over here. Okay, over here. 在这里哈，看到我讲英文了哈，现在讲华语哈。OK，今天我们要讲的就是情况，好不好 ？OK，当下的状况是怎么样的？在一个交易员的这个生活里面哈，我们都一定要知道说，在交易的时候呢，我们呢看到的那个状况啊，当下的情况，说它是现在呢是一个什么样的情况啊？我们就可以知道说，我们应该用什么样的方式来进场，用什么样的方式呢？来看这个现在的情况是往下跌的什么样的趋势，还有你进场之后呢，你应该要拿多少个点数，这也是非常重要的一个部分哈。OK， 所以这个也是很重要的，所以这些东西哈，我们都得要看一看。说现在呢，在这样的情况里面哈。我们呢，在做交易的时候呢，我们呢就会比较清楚说，在做交易的这样情况哈，OK，我们呢就可以说做的这个交易呢，可以看到我们要的那个情况，那么我们做起单子的时候呢，其实是比较轻松一些些的哈。OK， 好了，那么 Yes，all right，OK，so OK，I have a question here，all right，in Forex Live Trading, okay, in Forex Live Trading, okay, is it important to take note about our system in terms of money management or risk management? Okay, All right. So I would say that both are equally important. Both are equally important. All right, they are all equally important. Yeah. So I would think that if you think that there are certain parts that it is not important, okay, but I would say that every part, every single little things in forex trading, they are all important. All right. OK，所以这些都是很重要的嘛，哈、一些小细节都是非常重要的，让我们呢可以在外汇市场里面生存啊。OK，不只是生存，还可以开始去赚钱。OK，好的。Do you OK，我这里有一个 OK，I have a question here. It's very interesting questions 啊。OK，Do you actually guarantee a percentage of profit returns? Okay. Okay, I would say that as you know, all right, in the market, it's very difficult for people. I mean, in a proper like example, if you are going for unit trust investment, okay, you're going for share investment, all right. So you are going for any indices investment. They cannot tell you it's guaranteed by how many percent because all these are speculative investment. So people won't tell you. People won't tell you we guarantee how many percent. All right. Okay. So please take note about all this because as I think we know about this market and lately in a lot of countries, European countries and Americas, we are all talking about people out there are giving guarantee returns all this, but they are not institutional. So please take note about all this. This is kind of have to be very tactful with this kind of offer. All right, okay, yeah. Bingo. Yeah. That's right, huh? Okay. All right. So that's true. Okay, huh? All right. So let's see. When we talk about situation, okay, then when we talk about situation, okay, so first of all, we need to understand situation, okay? And in certain situation, all right, in certain situation, like example, okay, what are the situation that we are looking at in terms of direction, okay? Okay, direction. Okay, now, okay, 我会先用英文，然后呢，我等一下用中文解释哈。Okay, I will go with English first, then after that I will go into Mandarin. All right. So first of all, you got to understand. Okay, the situation of a currency pairs. Like example, all right. Like example over here. When you are looking at this pound yen, okay, I'll be using pound yen to talk a lot. All right, it's because I know because I'm focusing on pound yen. Yes, you are right, Hubert. Okay, I've been waiting and waiting, for this part here. All right. Okay. So yes, let's get into the topic. I am in the topic. All right, I'm in the topic now. When I understand the situation of me myself as a trader, okay, I actually for me, I actually distinguish myself from not distinguish myself from, I should say I actually I what should I say, I should say I place myself as a short selling, okay, call and put, right? Okay, so I'm a short selling, okay, so I make sure I'm putting in at the correct time, okay. So when I only do one direction in terms of short selling, okay, short selling. So why is that so? Is because, okay, I want to understand the situation clearly, okay. I want to understand the whole situation clearly so that I know the direction very clear. Okay, just in case I got myself mixed up and I got myself, into a situation whereby, shit, what is this? This is long or short, buy or sell, call or put. I don't know. Correct. So you see, this is why in terms of situation wise, first of all I place it myself first. Okay, myself first. All right. So when the situation of this type of red, green candle, right, it's very obvious that it's going for a bull run. It's going for a bull run. So in such situation, it doesn't match my investment portfolio. So I'm going to stay away. Aha, can you see? Yeah, why not I do a buy now? When I do a buy, there's some retracement. Holy shit, I'm wrong. I should sell. When I sell, it go up, continue. Oh shit, I should buy. When I buy, Okay, you see the retracement comes in, it start to sell again. Ah, shit, why am I always getting the wrong entry? Am I right? So that's one of the reasons that you must understand that moment of the situation. Okay, you got to understand that moment of a situation before you actually get yourself into that particular trade. All right. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. So you see, at this moment here, as I can see, the situation here is such a bullish market. All right. I will stay away. All right. So where there's a part of a situation where you can see started to see green and red candle. Okay, over here. All right, so you can see that, okay, this green and red candle coming down back. Okay, seems like it's going for a short, seems like it's coming for a bear market, but you cannot determine by immediately that these two candle only. All right, that is not correct as well. Okay, so let me go this part with them into the Mandarin. Okay, 好的哈。Right, let's see. OK, so 我们来说中文哈，我来解释的这一个部分好不好 ？OK， 这个部分哈，好的。OK，在这里，안녕하세요。Oh, I'm so happy. I love to see you here. Right. 안녕하세요. You see so many people actually reply to me. OK， 好的啊，那么我们来听听我们在讲华语的哈情况，我在讲的是情况，好不好？OK， 当下的状况呢，好像我刚才所用英文解释的哈，这一段呢，你看到吗？因为我知道我自己是一个做空的交易者嘛，对不对？所以在这一段里面，你会看到很多绿色的这些牛市很猛嘛，对不对？所以在牛市很猛里面呢，我呢在这一段我知道我是做空的交易员的话，首先我就已经知道说状况，它的情况已经不是我要交易的那种单子，所以呢，我马上就把它给去除掉了。OK， 就比如说我就会说 OK， 今天这个棒日的话，我就会让它放弃，好不好？那么等到它上去的时候呢，在这一段里面哈，有绿色蜡烛、红色蜡烛的出现的时候呢，就好像一个压力的出现这样哈。那么呢，相比一下哈，有没有一个压力位置？怎么这个会不会出现一个压力位置？好吧，当出现压力位置的时候呢，我们才准备要做空。但是我们还是要知道说，不可以单靠一个红色蜡烛和一个绿色蜡烛，就断定说今天是一个这个就是一个做空进入熊市，也不可以这么说哈。OK，so over here，OK，在这里的话呢，我们这样看的话，它往下跌的时候呢，它也是有一个阶段的啊。这个开始往下跌的时候，它还是会有一个情况。就是它在转换的那个过程，它在转换的过程，所以在转换的过程里面的时候呢，一般呢我们在做交易的时候都有遇到啊，有一个绿色、红色蜡烛，马上就找进场点。不过呢，你没想到说它竟然是在这个转换的过程，当它在转换的过程你进场，万一转换不成功，它就继续在往上跳了，那么呢你就会觉得哎呀为什么这样，是不是？OK， 所以会有这样的情况发生。首先就是要先就是了解到哈，我自己是一个怎么样的一个交易员，好不好 ？OK，so over here， 好，那么现在开始讲英文了哈。OK，so when we talk about things like this, alright? So when we talk about this situation, okay, we need to get the direction correct. The direction correct. Once the direction is correct, then we will be able to find something else. If you get the direction wrongly, no matter how you find the rest of the factors that are going to help in your trading, it won't help because if you get the wrong direction, you may go into the retracement, and retracement is always very short. Okay, it's always a very short term, and it will just retrace upwards and it goes against you. Correct? OK， 好，所以呢，在这个里面哈，我们这样看的时候。如果你看错方向的话呢，它暂时回调做空，比如说你本来是看好它做多，万一呢它是做空，它开始做空的时候，你看它做空其实它是做多的 ，OK， 它下来的时候，你以为你的方向对了，结果不对结果是错的。 那么呢，其实那个是一个回调，你知道回调的时候那个短暂性吗？很短嘛，对不对？所以很容易就达不到 TP，它就回调上去。那么你就会觉得，哎呀，怎么又看错了？是不是这么说 ？OK， 所以你要了解当下的情况是怎么样，所以现在要了解那个方向，好不好 ？OK，Alright， so now how okay to get the directions correctly. Okay, I think it's very simple in a way. Okay, let's look at this chart. Let's look at this chart here. Okay, let me do this. All right, let me do this. Okay, this size will do, right? This size. Okay, so we will talk about this part. When you're looking at this chart here, okay, I hope everybody can participate by answering my questions. Okay, 大家参与哈，回复我的问题哈。By looking at this current chart here, okay, can you tell me is a buying or selling? Okay, if you think buying, you just type in buying. If selling, just type in selling. The whole chart, the overall, in general. OK， 大家看这个图啊，整体这样看的话，整体啊，从这里看到这里来哈 ，OK， 好不好？就从这里哈，下面这里看到上面这里的话，你告诉我是牛还是熊，好不好？用中文的，听得懂中文的人就说牛还是熊吧，好不好 ？OK， 熊就是往下跌的，牛就是往上爬的那种。OK，All right。Good, well done. I see plenty of buy. Malaysia, buy. Right, good. Okay, good. All right, very good. Oh, 好的，很好，很好。Okay, Christine, thank you. Boo, 华裔 good. CK, buying, good. Christine, Mark, Bay, Mr. Bay. All right, Oppa. All right, Chang Chai Juan. Right, and Man Wai. Okay, right. 日本啊I like 日本默默啦 but I like M150นะI miss M150啊Okay, so yeah, you see, correct. Yes, 台湾这里全部都是牛啊 OK, 韩国这里都是牛，很好 Alright, we have Europeans, okay, all over here we are all talking about buying, all the bull, correct. Alright, bullish, correct, that's right. Okay, so you see, when we are talking about looking at this kind of chart, just very simple, it's an easy way to determine the trend, correct? It's in the general reading of the direction that we are heading for a bull run, correct? You are right. So in long term, if you invest in pound yen in June, you make a buy. When it go up 100 pips over here, okay, oh no, 1,000 pips over here, 1,196 pips, then it comes down for another 1,000 pips, then it goes up all the way for another 2,483 pips. You will be like, wow, it's amazing, correct? But we wow when things after, correct? But we are unable to read the current situation. Am I right? Okay, but anyway, in any case, basing on this current situation, yes, when you look at this, it is still on the bull run. Am I right? It's still on the bull run. All right, so it's basing on this, is still on the bull run. Now, in every bull run, there tends to have a retracement. Every bull run, there's a retracement to sell, up again, retracement to sell, up again, retracement to sell, retracement to sell, retracement to sell, retracement to sell. Am I right? Okay. So now, over here, every retracement to sell, we always have an opportunity to do the selling, because from the selling over here to here, it's actually exposing itself to 700 pips. Okay. 在一个牛市里面一直上升的话呢，都会有一个回调做空，回调做空，回调做空嘛，对不对 ？OK， 可是我们看整体的话，它是在往上升，的确，它整体是往上升。那么呢，在这个情况里面呢，我们知道说不可能一条直线上的嘛，所以呢，它有上升的机会，就有回调，那么上去再有回调，上去再有回调，对不对？ 所以每一次这个一个回调啊，像这里说这个回调有700个点，够吗？够吗？应该够啊哈。所以我们这样看，先要了解，好不好？先要了解，在这个情况呢，现在是不是在往上升的一个部分，是不是要开始做回调了？它的回调是多少个点？不要去要求1000个点啦哈 ，OK？因为这1000个点从这里上到这里都要1000个点，不过呢，你需要1个月的时间，你要放你的单子1个月，你那1个月你会怎么过日子，我就不知道了，是不是 ？OK？All right. So yes, Bong Quek Leong, you're right. It's on the buying side, huh? Okay, 很好 That's good. So over here, we can see this whole stretch is actual buying. Okay, we have retracement, correct? So when there's a retracement to short, of course we still want to sell, right? But because we know the retracement to sell, it has a very big space before it actually continue the bull, or it has even a chance for it to change the direction to continue the bear, correct? Okay, so both ways we have the chance to do it, correct? 我们两个都有机会哈。我的意思就是，当这个牛市在上升回调，它可能回调一阵子，你都有机会做单子，盈利以后它才回调做多，对吗 ？OK， 那么呢，如果呢，它也是有一个机会，就是往下跌的时候呢，它会跌破任何的支撑，然后呢就继续在熊市里面做空了，也是有这个可能，是不是 ？OK， 也是有这个可能。好了，那么呢，我们现在这样看啊 ，All right, we are going to shrink down. Okay, let's shrink down. We talk about the swing. Let's talk about this swing here. All right, now talk about the swing here. Okay, so from this part here, from the swing upwards. Okay, and now let's talk about this. Okay, this part here. Okay, from this part, and we going up until now. Okay, so we talk about this part. Let me draw a shape here. All right, so to let you see. Okay, at this point down here, my blue box here. Okay, my blue box. Now, looking at this blue box, from this green candle at a bullish market running through, piercing up, accumulating the buying volume until the pink arrow appears and start to turn down with red candle, red, some green, and ultimately still red candle. Okay, over here. Okay, now in this blue, will we have a chance to go down this way? Okay, right. Will we have a chance? Yes, we do have a chance. So over here, I'm going to ask this question over here, right? Over here. Okay, this question here, I'm going to ask. Is it a time, okay, it's starting to become bear, become selling, okay? If you think it is time to become selling, all right, can you type in, can you key in bear or sell? Okay, bear or sell. All right. 好了，那么这一段呢，我们一直看到一直上，对不对？现在终于有一个绿蜡烛、红蜡烛这些啊，开始往下跌一些。那么想请问大家，来一起参与啊！在这一段里面，你再一看的话呢，现在目前啊，在这里的话呢，是不是一个对你来说，你这样看的话，是不是开始要做空了，要进入熊市了？ OK， 那么呢，如果你觉得是的话，打上一个熊字或者一个空字 ，OK， 卖空的空 ，OK，All right， So let's see what is the reaction in the market right now. Okay, let's see. I'm going to have an experiment, so everybody have to take part in participate in this question here, answering. Okay. Yeah, well, not yet. Okay, my wife was saying not yet. Okay, not yet selling. Not yet selling. All right. Okay. 好的哈 not yet. Wow, plenty of you are saying that not yet. Not yet. Wow, selling. There are people saying selling. All right. Okay, I have KL 做空 OK 很多哈做空 Mr. Xia 做空 OK 还有哈 Alright OK Well plenty Alright Mangwai was saying if break 156, okay, we'll consider sell. 156, okay, let's see where's 156, huh? 156, okay, it should be around here. Okay, right. 好啊，那我们来看一下。Usually to have a U-turn, you have to break the breakage. What is that? Barricade. Okay, barricade. Okay, you have to wait for you to break the barricade. Okay, that's true. Okay. Okay. Pardon me. Sometimes when in English and Mandarin, I cannot. My tongue was just get twisted. Alright. Okay. 好，那么现在呢，我们这样看啊，很多人都说做空哈，现在已经开始做空。OK， 好 ，Alright. So let me share with you. Okay, share with you. Alright. So now, okay, this blue box. Let me move it away tentatively. Okay, let's see. Alright. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, hi Jenna. 你的直播不停的啊，一直在做直播。我不是直播不停啊 OK， 好的，等一下你直播的时候就轮到我去支持你了哈。OK， 好的，好，反正你的直播是美国时间的哈。OK， 好的。Alright, so yes. Okay, yeah, plenty of you actually were saying that not yet for selling, and there are also people who are saying that it is selling. Alright, so you see, there will be different views by reading the chart that it is selling, and there's also different views that reading the chart which is not selling. Okay, so let me explain. All right, but first of all, let me explain in English. All right, so first of all, the bullish market went up, okay, and it started to come down in this way. All right, when it started to turn down, I won't be very happy. Okay, I won't be so happy in a way that I will go straight in and start to pump for a selling. Okay, and pump for a selling. All right. Okay, so over here, because why is that so? Why is that so? It's because in every wave, okay, every wave, let's see this wave, you see one wave here, another wave here, another wave here, correct? Okay, right, in every wave, okay, in every wave. So if you are in every wave, they're bound to have a support. You're bound to have a support level. Okay, support level. All right, Bong Quek Leong was saying the selling. Okay, yes, quite true. It looks like selling, but let me explain. Okay, so you see, okay, over here, usually when after a bull run, okay, after a bull run, there will tends to have when it's going to have a U-turn, okay, this part here will start to retrace downwards. Okay, this part, of course, from here you shot down here, wow, 200 pips. Okay, but do you know that this part will confirm short all the way? Let's say the candle here, the candle over here, right? This candle, when it start to sell, you want to sell for 100 pips, but it only went down for about 60 pips and it went up again. Okay, when it went up for another 100 pips, you were like, oh shit, I lost 100 pips, correct? When you exit the trade, it start to sell 200 pips. You're like, holy, what the hell? I shouldn't have sold it away, you know. But that is because actually you do not understand where this is the part where I call the situation of transition. Okay, so to make up the direction, you have to understand where is the transition. Okay, this transition is very important here, okay. All right, so yeah, I'm going to talk about transition, okay, this part here, so that we can clearly know, okay, when the chart is turning down, is it turning down or is it not turning down? You know, this is the part where it is called the transition. OK， 好了，那么这个呢，这一个在这个外汇里面呢 ，OK，please bear with me for 3 minutes. OK，I will use Mandarin to explain. 在这里呢，牛市在往上攀高的时候，开始有绿红蜡烛，比如说像这样一个红蜡烛 这里下的时候，一根绿色，一个红色，你说哦，这个就是一个压力位了哈。那么我看到 Eric 老师的 YouTube 影片啊，有那个初阶班的哈，那么呢我就去做空了，因为这个就是压力。你要拿一个100个点，可是这个下了60个点之后又攀高上去了，就很难。哎呀，拿不到，反而亏钱。在这里呢，其实啊，在这一段里面，这一个啊不是一个很清楚，马上就可以做空的。OK， 不可以做空的那种。OK， 不是说不能卖，不是说现在不可以进场，是可以，不过呢要用另外一种方式。首先，我现在要讲的就是我们先辨认这个部分是什么部分来的。OK，excuse me，I have to drink to to moisture my throat Okay, so over here, whenever there's starting to have a turn down, okay, whenever there's a turn down, okay, we must know, okay, 这个部分呢开始往下跌的时候呢，其实在外汇市场里面有一个地方，就是英文叫做 transition， 这个就叫做转换，好不好？这个叫转换哈。OK， 我现在暂时用日图来解释哈，比较清楚了哈。这个转换。OK， 每一个图形里面都有一个转换呢，好不好？这一波里面往下跌，不可以直接就把它认定说它是在熊市了，不可以的啊，这个是一个转换的过程，从牛转换为熊 ，OK， 从牛转换为熊 ，OK，right？ So this is a transition from the bull to the bear. The transition from the bull to the bear and how we actually identify this. Okay, for example, whenever a resistance up here, for example, like this, there's this green and red the resistance. When it start to short sell, okay, the selling over here, you bound to meet a support level. You bound to meet a support level. For example, okay, this part. Okay, let's take a look. This part here. Okay, this part here is very clear that we are experiencing a support with a red, green candle. Selling, stop, and buying, come in, buy. Okay, so this whole area, if you're looking at this area, okay, this part here, actually we are in the transition. Okay, all right, let me move into Chinese. Okay. 好了，那么在这里Okay, before I move into Chinese, those who understand English about this transition, okay, give me a number 2. Okay, number 2 is like a finger. Yeah, I understand. Alright. 好，中文的牛市往上升的时候，当它一回调它一回调做空的时候呢，不可以马上定夺它就是做空的不可以Alright， 在这一段里面呢，通常这样的一波回来了之后做空的时候呢，它都会先出现一个支撑位置会有一个支撑位置的出现。OK， 支撑位置就是很像这样红色做空，然后呢绿色做多，然后就开始上去，对不对？变成红绿有一个支撑位置。所以你一看到这个的时候，现在这一根蜡烛是还没突破，那么呢，我就是在我的转换的空间里面，好不好？在我的转换的空间里面OK， 好不好 ？OK， 所以明白的话，中文的明白的话，打上2号给我，好不好？打上2号给我，让我知道说你明白，这个就是我们所谓的转换的空间。从一个顶pink arrow 这里我们按照我的系统是有一个 pink arrow 嘛，然后呢这个呢会有一个往下做空的现象，制造一个新的支撑。OK， 这个支撑呢开始以后它回调那么呢这个空间里面的话，这个空间呢就是转换的空间，好不好？这个就是转换的空间Alright， OK。Alright, thank you for all the participation for the number 2. For English one, you can understand very well. Okay, that's good. 还有台湾的很好，非常好。Alright, 马来西亚的听得懂吗？我只看到 Mount Y 而已OK， 不懂的话问问题OK， 马来西亚的呼叫，马来西亚的你们听得懂吗？转换听得懂的话打上2号OK，Alright， Thailand เข้าใจไหมครับ 靠仔呢？靠仔 give me number 2 alright OK 好的哈 alright so 我再解释一次啊，这个往上升了之后，往下跌的时候，制造一个支撑上来的话制造一个支撑上来的话，那么呢，这一个支撑从往上跌下来的这第一个部分呢，这一个支撑就是在这个范围转换的一个空间，它就是显示出这是一个转换的空间了OK alright couple Alright， 谢谢大家的参与，很好。OK， 这样的话我就知道了哈，不然的话，等一下我跟国外的人说话就忽略掉你们哦。OK，let me drink some water again. Oh, I can feel the tension. Alright. So since we know, this is the transition over here. So are we able to short when there's a chance to sell? Yes, we can still sell it. We can still sell, but since we know this is the transition, in the transition of bull to bear, when we want to sell, we also must hold the mindset that at any point of time, if there's a great support or any news that's supporting the particular currency, for this instance is pound yen. Let's say in pound, we have a very powerful positive news or some new release that just push the currency, then it will just go up. So in this transition area, anything can happen. Anything can happen. So once you know such situation, anything can happen. You can choose not to trade. You can choose to trade with care. You can choose to take a smaller profit, and you can also choose not to trade. You can stay away. All right. So you have various of options, and also you that you know the situation that you are going to be very careful. That's the very first mindset because you are in the transition. You cannot hold a mindset that now the price is going against me. It's okay. It's in the bear. So in the bear transition now, tomorrow it will become bear market. No, you cannot have this kind of predict. You cannot predict the market this way and hold a trade with the valid reasons. Alright, so this is important. OK， 好，那么在这样的一个情况转换的情况里面我们呢，第一我们可以选择就是在这个转换的过程可以做单子的，可以 OK。第二，你要做的话呢，你要很小心，点数拿少一点 OK， 或者不要做。为什么呢？因为在转换的这个过程里面它可以突然间一个好的新闻就把整个英镑推到高去的，是不是？因为你还在转换的那个过程里面，好不好？你还在转换的过程里面，所以呢，会导致到说这个可能呢，它现在在这个阶段里面很难继续往下做空下去OK， 所以一个再推的话，也很容易就会上去，或者是也很容易下来。OK， 也很容易被压着，上去又上不多，也有这个可能性。Okay, all right. Okay, so you see, when it's actually staying in the transition, can we still trade? Yes, we can, but take a smaller profit. All right. Okay, so now let's take a look like this. Let me screen back a little bit like this. Okay. All right. So this is pound yen. In case anyone will just come in. Okay. Anyone who just came in, I saw a few of them just came in. All right. It's okay. I know you are after work, then you can come in. It's okay. Thank you so much. Okay. So once you actually comes in, all right. I know you are lost. Okay. Let me tell you, we are talking about transition from bull to bear. Okay. So I'm trying to give example of the previous wave. One wave over here, and now is it another wave coming? Okay. Another wave, is it coming? We must know how to identify. Okay. We must know how to identify the wave. All right. OK，so 我们呢现在就是要回去一波看看一下，我们要懂得辨认，它的这个这一波是不是会来的，好不好？我们要怎么去辨认这一波怎么来的？OK，all right，so now we are going to identify. Okay，we are going to identify this the new wave, okay, making use of this transition, okay, making use of this transition. All right, so yes, 好吧，那么 okay, like over here, all right, you can see just now we are talking about this part here, okay, we are talking about this part here, okay, now we are going to talk about this part, okay, 我们来讲这一段了哈 ，OK， 看来讲这一段啊，所以呢，现在这里这样看的话 ，OK， let's see. In my system, of course, it's much easier. When you have a pink arrow, aqua is below the white line. It's very simple, okay. As long as you can start to see that this with a combination, you still have to combine, okay, combination of the product knowledge over here, okay, product knowledge, trading knowledge. What am I talking about? Okay, so let's see, okay, over here. Aqua below white line is a very clear signal that we are actually going for a bear very soon. As long as red candle fall below, open below the aqua line, we are clearly into the bear market like this. Okay, let me show you how is it going to be like. In this instance, okay, the previous wave, you see a green candle, the bull going up and up and up, okay, and now it start to turn down over here with a support level. Can you see a support level here? Okay, a red candle followed by a green candle, correct? Okay, so you see at this point of time, okay, this is the transition. Okay, this part will be the transition. Can you see? Okay, this is the transition. All right, can you see the transition from the resistance down to this support? The first wave of coming down, this is the support. So whenever it comes down, you form the support. Am I right? Okay, when it comes down, you form a support over here and bounce back. Okay, now remember, take note about this part. First, when it comes down, it comes with a support level. Okay, when it comes with a support level, when it start to move up, so you have one chance that it's going to move as a higher low. The low is here and go for a higher low. Am I right? So higher low, it means support, a higher support. Okay, so that means to say the support is going up, trying to break the resistance. Correct? Okay, so you may have a chance like this. All right, so however, if it's the support, it went up to the previous resistance, which is this area, okay, this one, okay, this resistance over here, and it stopped, and it comes back again, trying to break the support. Okay, so this is the transition area. It's the transition area trying to move up again, okay, the support, the higher support. That means buyers are willing to buy at a higher price, trying to break the resistance. However, it cannot. It still stay in the region. It still stay in the resistance. So it's very clear that it's struggling here in the transition. Okay, it's struggling here in the transition. All right. Okay, so I hope you understand in my English explanation. Okay, if you understand, give me another number 2. Okay, another 2. All right, thank you so much. Okay, I wish to see most of you participate. Okay, so that I know majority understand what I'm trying to explain. Okay, 好的哈，那么then I move on to the Mandarin。好了，这一个呢，这一波上来了之后，是不是有一个压力？绿红有一个压力下来嘛？它下来的时候，这一段里面啊，支撑着它上去了。所以当一旦它支撑着它上去的那一时候哈，你会看到这一点，这个就是更高的低点，更高的低点，更高的低点，每一次更高的低点出现，都是一个支撑点，都是一个支撑位置，在推高，再推高来突破压力位，好不好？那么呢？如果它这个支撑位出现，它是不是一个 higher low， 就是更高的低点，要推的更多来突破压力位置呢？如果还要突破，可是推不破又回来哦，还是保持在这个压力范围和这个支撑范围的话呢，你就知道很清楚的知道说，这个就是我们的现在目前就是在我们的转换的空间里面。 还在转换的空间。所以如果一旦你看到这个是转换的空间里面的话呢，我们就要非常清楚的知道说这个还没进入你熊市，所以我只能小点数的拿，以防它变成更高的低点，就是更高的支撑来突破压力，会上得更加高啊。OK， 好不好？好的，那么在其他国家，在其他地方用华语才听得懂我的呢，也给我2号，好不好？也给我2号。OK，right，so give me a number 2。OK， 给我一个2号，如果听中文的听得懂的哈。OK， 好不好 ？Alright，so now，so how do I know？ OK， how do I know that I can actually get ready to sell？ OK，how do I know actually where is the point where I actually get ready to sell in order to be safe into the bear market? All right. So now let's see. Okay, what we are going to take note about here in this, all right, this wave here is for us is very simple. Once you see red candle opens below the aqua line here, clearly, very clearly, okay, we are safe to sell into the bear market. All right. Okay, so of course I'm talking about this wave. All right, so over here now we are talking about this support over here, the support, okay, over here, okay, the support here. All right, so take note about this support. So you can see the support red, green, green. Okay, that's good. Red, green, green. Okay, so they support. In order for us to short in peace of mind, okay, we have to break this support. We have to break this support. Okay. Today the throat is very terrible. It's very dry. Okay. Okay, let's see. The first one, okay, let me explain why. Okay, let me explain why. You see, this part here is started to short and form a support higher than the previous support. That means it has a chance that the buyers are willing to buy at a higher price, trying to break the resistance and continue to long, continue to go for a buy, correct? But in this transition, the seller also resisting, and is coming down into this, okay? So into this region here, okay, into this region here. So you see, this is the transition now. So where is the part? When you see there is a pattern, there's a pattern in the bull market. The buyers, all right, start to support, and when the retracement come, the buyers support again, and it goes up. When retrace, the seller selling, the buyer support again. Can you see the buyer are supporting from here to here to here and to here? Can you see, and to here? Correct. So it's a buying trend. This is a buying trend. Okay. So this is a buying trend. You are right. So can you see there's a pattern down here? Okay. All right. So let me go into the Mandarin as well. OK. 所以呢，在这一段里面呢，我们看到的这个规律哈，你注意看啊，在这里重复一点啊，这里呢红绿绿。从这个高点下来的形成一个红绿绿，就好像这里红绿绿上来更高，这里下来再上去，在这个范围压力范围里面，你就知道说现在是转换。不然的话呢，一般你从这里这样看的话呢，这个呢是红绿绿是一个支撑，比这个还要高，对不对？比这个还要高 ，OK， Alright， 这也比这个还要高，比这个还要高，所以这个故事是这样从这个支撑开始呢，它上去到这里。到这里，都一直在显示这个市场呢，做多的交易员呢，不断的在更高的价位买入，更高的价位买入，更高的价位买入，对不对？好，这个更高价位买入的话呢，到这里买入的话呢，这里这一段就好像其他的一样，这边下跌了，然后呢再买入的话呢，它突破压力继续上，这里呢下来。也买入，突破压力继续上，这里买入，可是遇到压力上不去，突破不了，它就开始往下跌。好，这一个就是在这个转换过程。那么呢，我们如何辨认说这个转换的这个过程呢成功 进入熊市呢 ？OK，right， so 在这里你会看到这个在这里啊，这个规格哈，在这里面看到吗？这个规格在这边这样看，就是一直在买高买高买高，可是现在它买高，可是在突破不了的情况下哈，回来反而突破了这里的支撑。它突破了这里的支撑，当然在我们的 ACS 的这个系统里面，你看到红蜡烛在许愿线下面，许愿线在白线下面有一个 pink arrow， 就知道说已经进入了熊市，对不对 ？OK，Alright， so 在这里我们这样看的话哈，主要在这里你看到说这里啊要辨认得到那个支撑位，有些的支撑位是在这里，有些的支撑位是在这里啊，有些的支撑位是在这里，所以各个老师教的支撑位都不一样。所以全部我所讲的，我 Eric 老师所讲的待参考 ，OK， 我不是说100%我说的就是对的哈 ，OK， 别人就是错的哈，我从来不踩别人说人家不对的哈 ，OK， 只是说大家学东西都有不同的观点 ，OK， 记得哈，OK， 所以呢，在这里啊 ，OK， 说得好。谢谢你啊，要尊重大家嘛哈，要尊重其他老师哈。OK， 那么呢，在这里啊，我们这一看的话呢，这一部分哈，如果呢这个支撑位置哈，这里的支撑位置，因为我在说的是这一根嘛，这里的这个范围的 ，OK， 这个范围的话哈，一旦呢有这个突破，它是不是破坏了这里的这些规格呢 ？OK， 啊，这些哈就已经跟它破坏掉了。它一破坏的话呢，就是说呢，已经没有人在这里这个价位啊支撑着再上去了，没有了。OK， 所以呢就开始啊，这个呢失败了，所以呢它呢在这里就会开始往下做空啊。这一段开始呢，才是我们真正的第一波，新的一波做空的那一波，从这里上去，这里进入转换，这里呢才是我们真正要做单子的。OK， 熊市才是我们真正很开心看到，哇，这个是熊市了，你了解我意思吗？这里进单的话可能会有很多问题，盘整啊这些问题 ，OK， 可是在这里呢，一进入到这一个范围的话呢，这个范围啊，那么呢，我们呢就很清楚的知道说，我们呢已经成功进入了熊市了，所以在这一段里面，速度进场 TP 的速度较快 ，OK， 同时呢下的点数也比较多，好不好 ？OK， 好 ，OK， 听得懂的话打上2号给我 ，OK， 那么我要去讲英文的了啊。Alright, so I'm back in English. Okay, so as we know, every higher low is always a support, correct? A support at a higher price. Okay, when I talk about higher low, lower low, higher high, wow, it sounds like very professional, but you don't understand what's the rationale behind higher low. In fact, every higher low is a support at a higher price. Okay, so you have a higher low, you can see this pattern, this trading pattern is going upwards now. So that means to say behind the logic over here, right, it's actually showing us that in the market, tentative currently, okay, there are buyers who are willing to buy at a higher price to push the price higher to break any resistance we are meeting. Okay, example, higher low over here, and when it go up, it breaks the support here and it continue to go up until here. So when it's turning down over here, another group of buyer comes in and push it up again, all right, then it start to break the resistance over here. Okay, then it breaks the resistance and it goes up again and it starts to turn down. Buyer comes in again to buy at a higher price, trying to break the resistance here. Yes, indeed, it successfully break the resistance and it starts to goes up again. Stop here, it comes down, buyer comes in again. Buyers are always thinking, oh, so many times I come in again to buy again. However, this time they are going to hit the nail over. Nah, sorry, I shouldn't say hit the nail. Okay, so they are going to hit the wall. Okay, and they're going to hit the wall. Oh shit, it's not breaking. And now it comes back to break the support, but it's not breaking again. And now we know Okay, for this whole thing, the whole movement here, it comes down, buyer comes in thinking that they can break the resistance, but when they reach the resistance, it's not breaking, and it has been resisted, and the resistance strength is so strong. The resistance is so strong, it starts to push down. Oh, now the buyers get a shock. Okay, so they still try to push again. Both parties try to push, and we know clearly we are into the transition. And now finally, when you see a red candle open below the support level, it breaks the support level. Okay, accumulating all this selling volume. Okay, prices are below the support level, down here. You clearly know, jolly well know, we are into the bear market. Congratulations. Okay, all right. Okay, so you will meet one support, and then you will break the support, then you will be able to short it. You know clearly that the bear is running. Okay, the bear is running. All right. So if you understand, give me a number 2 in English. For people who understand my English explanation, all right, give me a number 2. Right. Okay, thank you. Wow, very very fast. Okay, very fast. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, 很好，很好。哇，OK，好吧。Tony, all right, Tony. Tony have a question here, all right? Okay. How about the retracement after the breaking of the support? How do you explain that? Do you mean this part here? Okay, do you mean this part here? Yes, okay. All right. So you see, whenever there's a short, Forex trading, you will not experience one straight line, one big candle all the way, red candle, all the way down. Am I right? Hardly. Okay, so that bound to have retracement up and down. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now this part here, this retracement after it's short, and this retracement, they're bound to have some buyers. You can see the buyers are around the same area. As you can see, the lower shadow, the lower wick over here, actually this one actually trying to break the support here, but it doesn't break and it rebounds back. So the support actually works, and you retrace up. Okay, it retraces upwards, and finally it stopped below the support level. This is exactly what I always say. Once it breaks the support level, it will have a retracement with a new resistance below the support level. Then we short again. Okay, so that means to say, this Forex trading, you cannot expect once it go into the bear, you have all the red candle, okay, going down all the way. You cannot. Okay, it bounces to a retracement. So you must also take note of the retracement. Take the retracement into consideration when to exit a trade before it retraces upwards. Okay, so over here, when you see this type of candle breaking the support, it comes back and retrace back upwards. This time around, you have to take note. Will there be a resistance below the support level? If there's a resistance below the support area, okay, that means to say it's not. This support has become resistant. Okay, SBR here. Okay, it has support become resistant. SBR. All right, in short. So it has become a resistance, trying not breaking. That means there's not enough. This support is not enough to push through. So the new resistance coming down, then you get ready. We are going back into the prevailing trend. We are going back to the prevailing bear trend to short again, to sell. Okay, so bound to have. So it's just a matter of is it breaking back to the support area, or is have a resistance below the support area? Then we'll be able to sell it again. Okay, all right. 好吧? Okay, since people are asking this, okay, I was going to speak in Mandarin as well. So the retracement part, anyone understand? If you understand now, give me number 3. As okay, number 3. All right. Okay, get some participation. Okay, so that we will feel boring. You know, I am a person who I am a person who who loves personal touch. Okay, so digital touch. Okay, we still have the feel. So everyone please participate so that we will be able to continue in a very high energy level. All right. OK， 好了，那么我来讲英文的讲中文的啊。这里有人问啊，那么这个回调怎么办呢？这个回调怎么解释？这个回调啊，第一呢，外汇不可能一条直线就这样跌，一排做的红蜡烛下去嘛，对不对？不会啊，所以呢，它还是会有回调。不过一旦呢，它突破这个支撑，然后往下跌的时候，我们就知道进入熊市，对不对？这个熊市一进入的时候呢，在这里啊，它都会有一段时间会有一个支撑。这个支撑呢，你看看这个下影线，这里呢往下跌之后，这个下影线呢在这里开始了，是碰到之前的这个支撑范围嘛，对不对？红绿绿这里，它就反弹回去。然后当一反弹回去的时候，我们就知道说 ，OK， 今天是一个回调日，明天一个回调日，到了这里还是一个回调日，对不对？好了，那么这个回调呢，到这一段的话呢，绿红的时候碰到这个支撑，它没有办法突破，形成压力。那么这个呢，所谓的支撑就变成压力啊 ，OK， 支撑就变成压力了。那么呢，当它没有办法突破上去支撑位置继续上的话呢，也就是说这里的这个支撑其实力度不足，还有机会再往下跌。当它开始绿红压力已经出现的时候呢，我们可以做单子吗？是可以的，因为我们保持在我们的熊市范围里，好不好？我们保持在熊市范围，我们就可以做空啊，对不对 ？OK， 好，我们保持熊市范围就可以做空，好不好 ？OK，so听中文的听得懂的话，今天我看来讲的这个回调的哈，请给我一个3号好不好？Mark 有那么快哦？我现在大家等一下，我不是不回复你们问题，我看到马来西亚这边哈，他们突然间没有动作，我还以为那个线掉了。OK， 所以呢，我要看他们有没有反应哦。我担心我讲的太快，又有英文又有这个中文，那么他们可能听不清楚我在讲什么。所以呢，在这一段里面，我就希望他们有参与啊，他们有参与，我才知道说那个线没有断，我也知道他们很理解我讲什么哈，好不好 ？OK， 马来西亚的朋友，你们理解我讲的东西吗？你们理解吗？理解吗？理解的话打上3号，好不好？怎么看？保持在熊市里面啊！再解释一次，快快的啊！跌了支撑，因为这里啊，你看到吗？它的下影线碰到这个支撑，回调的时候有新的压力位出现，在这个支撑的范围啊，支撑它没有办法突破到支撑的范围里面去，反而在这个支撑范围下面来了新的压力。这样就告诉我们呢，现在还继续在保持在我们的这个熊市范围，还可以做空 ，OK， 好不好 ？All right, thank you, Mark and Mark。我看马来西亚那边应该很多人断线了。OK, so I think I can continue in English 。我就讲英文就好了，不说中文了哈。OK， 那边应该断了很多了哈，断掉太多了。OK 啦，好。All right, so yes。Okay, so in this case over here, as we can see, it is not breaking into the support area. That means to say a new resistance below the support area, which means to say over here, it is a sign that actually we are still in the bear market. So can we still sell? Absolutely. You can still continue the selling. All right, you can still continue the selling. All right, so this part here, you can still continue to sell as much as you want, as many times as you want. Okay, but in every support level, always take note of the support level of the availability space. All right, OK， 好的哈 ，OK， 在这里啊 ，OK， 好的，感谢你 Chai Juan Chang， 还有 Mark 华裔 ，OK， 华裔 ，right，OK。Alright, so yes， today what we are talking about this, okay, trying to identify. You know, I got a problem though when I was young. Okay, when the word I that comes into the first word of the sentence, I will start to stammer. You know, I will start to stammer. You know, I. So finally, how I solved this issue, my psychological issue. You know, when I got my iPhone 3G, my first iPhone, right? Okay, so finally, I don't have the I. All right, but sometimes I still got it. All right. Anyway, okay. Wow, this soda drink is really good. You know, it's really very good. If you had Pierre, okay, Pierre, okay, it's really good. All right. Mm. Wow. It actually gives me a feel as if I'm in a waterfall in a spring. Oh, so good. OK，好啊，大家，我们刚才学会看这个从牛市转换为熊市，对不对？那么怎么看它在转换里面，和怎么看它走出转换进入熊市，好不好？OK，all right，so just now we have what we are talking about is that we are talking about how actually we identify the bull into the transition. So you have to identify at that point, at this part, is it a transition? How it actually goes out of the transition to into the bear market. All right. So it's very important for us to identify this in order for us to know, okay, so that we are able to identify the situation, then we'll be able to trade better in the situation. All right. Thank you, Bong. Quack Leong. Yeah, I think the surname should be Leong, right? Leong. Am I right, Leong? 对吗？我应该称你叫 Leong， 对不对 ？All right， 你是来自哪里啊？看你的名字应该是在马来西亚的吧 ？OK， 好的，来，我们来看一看哈。All right, so let's see. Okay, let's go through various of currency pairs. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, I have a question here. I'm so sorry. Okay. All right. So nice. Thank you for introducing yourself, and really nice of you. Okay. So not to mention my name, but you can mention my country. But everybody can see you in the chat. All right. Okay. In that particular platform. All right. So okay. So yes, Twitter. Okay, that's right. Okay. So okay. 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 All the tweeters out there. Right. So can I say that? Okay. We have one tweeters here. Okay. We have one tweeters here from Ireland, right? From Ireland, Ireland, Ireland. All right, Ireland. Okay, so Twitter. I just okay, Twitter. Okay, so over here, it's short halfway. Okay, when you identify the bear, it doesn't means okay. Let me shrink down the chart. It doesn't mean that you have this. You will short all the way until here to meet the lowest point of the previous support. No, it doesn't mean that. Okay, every wave, okay, when it start to short, you may have you know this is a general trend that is going upwards. Am I right? So we have a chance like this to short for a retracement, which is about 600 pips. I think for retail trader, we have more than enough. We have more than enough to take from this retracement, from this wave. All right. So over here, okay. So that's why over here in this general trend is still going for a long buying. So we know this is still a retracement, and we are going to short into the bear market for the bear in this wave, in this wave. Okay, this wave here. All right, this wave. So once it hits the previous wave, okay, then we got to be very, very careful. We got to be careful that it may not continue the selling. So at this point of time, I will hold my trading for a little while and observe. Is it going up again? Okay, is it going up again? You can see it's going up. Okay, so there's a resistance. If it's breaking, if it's not breaking, I will continue the selling. If it's breaking any of the resistance, that means it's going for a buy. Okay, so the logic is the same. It's just that you invert the chart reading. Okay, right. So over here, this is this is one part here. When you talk about bear, it doesn't mean that it will bear down all the way. You're going to hold it for 1 year, 2 years, and you're going to make 21,000 pips or 2,000 pips. No. Okay. So we always need to take note. Okay. We always need to take note. Every candle that hits the purple line like this and not breaking, okay, it will have a chance to bounce back for a higher trend. Okay. So we have to take note about that. Okay. All right. Okay, so it doesn't mean that once you got a bear, it got out of this transition. That means it's going to shot all the way down. No, 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 no. It's not. It's not. All right. Okay, it's not. Huh. All right. Okay. Understand? All right. If you understand, give me a number 3. All right. Hi, Mr. Bong. OK， 那么我就称你 Mr. Bong 啊。OK，Mr. Bong，where are you from？ 你是来自哪里呢？OK，so from Ireland. Twitter from Ireland. Okay, is it good? Okay, right, good. All right, Malaysia Sarawak. I see. Okay, Malaysia Sarawak. All right. All right. So now, Pao Yan. All right, Pao Yan. Oh, all right, Pao Yan. Another shot again. All right. I I got my Pao Yan. Just got the TP of 10 pips. You got the 10 pips from. You also got 10 pips. Uh, I feel so bad to interrupt your explanation because it sounded so rude. All right, okay. Yeah, thanks. Thank you. Where's your entry point? May I know the timing of your entry point? All right. 1626. Okay, let's take a look. 1626. Okay, no, it's okay. I'm fine. Okay, I am very happy that from my sharing of my forex trading plan daily. Okay, and you can get the profits. Okay, all right. So I will be very happy. I'm very very happy to hear that. Okay. Okay, so this one, okay, good, 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 okay. Well, good, nice time, nice, nice, nice. Okay, well, that's good. All right, yeah, while I'm explaining and you got your TP, right? Good. I'm happy to hear that too. Okay, oh, Bradley, you get it too. Okay, okay, that's good. Thumbs up for all of you. 很好，很好。OK 哈，我在讲的时候，你们就 TP 哈，就他们说的对，不想打扰你哈。OK OK，好啊，台湾也这么说哈。OK，anyway that's good, alright. Okay, well, so come back. Okay, so probably we are going to take an example. We also gonna take an example. 有没有人在这边？马来西亚有没有人？马来西亚有没有人拿到 TP GJ 的 TP GJ？ 马来西亚的马来西亚人有没有拿到 GJ 的 TP？Okay, okay, Canada, Malaysian in Canada. Alright. 不敢拿，没有你讲话 ，OK， 没有我讲话厉害啊 ，OK，alright，OK， good，anyway，OK， that's good，alright，anyway， OK， let's come back. Okay, we have about 30 minutes to go, 25 minutes to go. Alright, so before I end today's session, I hope today's session is fruitful. It's a good content for everybody to learn something from transition. Okay, all this. So if you find that it's great, you find that it's helpful, give me a like. Okay, click on the like button on my YouTube channel. Alright, thank you so much. Okay, so 来我们这样看So right now GJ, okay, Pao Yan over here. You can see this support level over here. Am I right? The support level over here. So this support level over here, okay, it seems like 在这里没有哈，没有拿到哈，没有拿到没有关系，OK，not my strategy，OK，that's good，OK，you're following your structure and that is also considered a good one，alright，OK，OK，OK，来我们这里这样看啊，OK，over here，now over here from here it go up and it start to come down over here，when it hits on the support。It goes up again. So can we see this is when it goes up. Okay, yesterday when it goes up on this part here, the GJ, it went up to this part here. It actually hits on the resistant area. Am I right? Okay, so the transition is there. Transition is there. Okay, right. So now you can see it's breaking. It's breaking the support here. Am I right? Okay. Okay. Let me redraw again. Okay, then roughly. Okay, roughly. Okay. 老师，你赚钱比我在做直播还容易。哪里可以这么说哈？不可以这么说哈。OK，no，不可以这样讲，不可以这样讲。OK，不可以啊，不可以啊。不是这么说的哈。OK， 好。Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now let's see. This is the transition period. There's a transition area. Okay, now it is breaking through. Breaking through. Okay, English breaking. B-R-E-A-K-I-N-G. Breaking, that means on the way. It is still trying to break it. Okay, but it's not broke. Okay, it's not broke. Okay, or I say breaken. Okay, B-R-E-A-K-E-D. No, alright. Any point of time when it hits on the support, it can just retrace back with a lower shadow, a lower wick. Am I right? So in the end, it is not breaking. Okay, so tentatively, it is still testing on the support area here. But if tomorrow it start to open the candle below the support area, okay, then we will sell like mad. Okay, we will sell like mad. All right. Okay. All right. Manwai, Malaysia, saying broken. Tomorrow can focus on GJ sell. Perfect. 对了，就是这个意思哈，聪明了哈，现在突然间好厉害了哈，好 ，good，很好，right。Yes, we have another question here. From Sweden. Okay, from Sweden. Okay, in my IG. I didn't know my IG was going up onto the Sweden. Okay, 你没有买 GJ 哈 ？OK, GJ 好 ，OK， 明天可以关注做空了哈。OK, Mr. Bong, alright. Okay, so from Sweden. Okay, from Sweden. When you talk about Sweden, I'm waiting for your question. So, okay, yes, you can shoot your question as fast as possible. While waiting for your question, I was just continue my speech before I fall asleep. All right. When I talk about Sweden, I always thought of IKEA. All right. Yes. Okay. I'm an IKEA supporter. Yes. 有哈，恭喜，很好，OK。very good， 很好，OK。有 TPGJ 啊 ，just TP，OK， 很棒，Let's see， 到了 support 了哈，有吗？到了 support level 啊，在哪里哦？我看一下哈。Wait， 到 support level 了哈。OK， 没拿哈，没有拿到哈。OK， 好的，没有关系哈，没关系。OK。19个点不敢拿了，就快点出来了，是因为有这个25% OK， 好 ，good， Alright, you know how to apply the rules. 你还记得这个25%哈，很好很好。OK， 很好。OK， OK， right， Oh, I see. Leon. Do I pronounce it this way? It's an English name, right? If I'm not wrong, I will pronounce it in an English way. Okay, Leon. Okay, Leon. I would say that in this part here, as we can see, all right. Yes, indeed, we are. This part here, where this stop, is actually from this. You can see the resistance over here. Okay, this is the resistance. So the resistance, it went down and it breaks the resistance here, and it goes up and it start to retest. Correct? It start to retest the resistance that become a support level. Okay. So by looking at this, resistance to become a support, you must understand the rationale first. Okay, the rationale. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, you must understand the rationale here, huh? First of all, why is that the support become resistance, and why is the resistance become a support? Okay, first of all, you can see this is a resistance. It comes with green and red. It start to sell. So when the price goes up again, many retail traders will start to think that this is a resistance. Okay, and this resistance, this part here, many seller will comes in to sell. Correct? Who knows it breaks the resistance, and sellers from here are making a loss up here. When this start to retrace backward over here, sellers may be thinking, this is the part where I'm not making any losses. I will start to exit my trade. When sellers sell, they must buy. It's another form of buying. So the retracement went up. Okay, we're creating a higher low over here to try to break the resistance, but it doesn't. Now it's trying to sell it back again. Okay, so the support here, it meets the resistance here just nice. Okay, just nice. Yes, you are correct. Sometimes it will become a chart like this. It's very obvious that people are actually selling at this point, and over here they are coming back here. All right. So it doesn't mean that all this while this resistance becomes support become resistance. It all depends on that particular moment. Okay, that the chart is showing us, is that a big selling off or there's a big buying in. Okay, then we can decide. Okay, but you can take this as a gauge. It's just a guide. Okay, it's just a guide. Okay, if it's so simple, there's everyone would be okay, everyone would be, support over here, and then start to go in, all right. Okay, so this is the part here. Okay, yes, that's right, huh? Okay, so it's interesting, huh? Right. Okay, so yep. Yes, now, okay, so identify this part here. Okay, let's go into other currency like pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. Let's see pound dollar. Okay, can we take a look like in our pink arrow? Okay, let's see pink arrow over here. Okay, let me draw out the blue box to highlight it so that it's much easier for us to see. Okay, let's say over here. 好，我用蓝色格子这样画哈，画的话呢，这样的话就比较容易让我们辨别的出来哈，好不好 ？OK， 现在我们这样一看，这一波是不是一直在往上升，升到这里来了，对不对？升到这一段来的时候呢，我们这一看啊，这里呢，它开始上去的时候，下来的时候，是不是遇到第一个支撑？有没有第一个支撑 ？OK。Hi Eric， 我来自香港。哦，来自香港的朋友，你好。啊哈，嘿，你好。你好。廣東話我識少少，但係唔識講啊。OK OK， 好的啊，好，在这里啊，我们这样看啊 ，OK， 在这里啊 ，OK， 你的样很像香港人哦，你应该是你哋用好似香港人哦，OK， 像吗？我像香港人吗？OK， 好吧，OK，so you can take a look, OK, over here, right here, the support. So can you see? Can everybody see over here? When you hit on the support here, all right, and let me enlarge a little bit. Okay, when you hit here, it comes back on the first support. Okay, this is the first support here. 我好像突然间感觉到有 I no, I felt a presence just beside me. I was like, OK， 啊，好像有人坐在我旁边这样。OK， 好吧哈，OK 啦好，来从这里这样看啊。This is the highest point. Okay, when you see it comes back here to hit on the support. Okay, and from here, as it hits on the support over here, am I right? Okay, when it hits on the support over here, over here. Okay, when it hits on the support over here, right? And now, okay, this part here, okay, it went back, but it still remains in the resisted area, correct or not? Okay, it still remains in the resisted area. Okay, all right, so over here, it comes back and break the support over this area. Can you see? Okay, it breaks the support in this area. All right, so what do we have? What do we have after that? What do we have after that? Let's take a look. What do we have after that? Can you tell me? Buy or sell? Buy or sell? Comment below. Okay. Alright. 来，我们这里这样看啊，在这里最高的位置下来支撑，第一个支撑制造出来了。回调现在是不是在我的转换的过程？因为还在我的这个范围里面。现在下来突破了之后，现在应该是买还是卖？是多还是空？是多还是空？做多还是做空的交易 ？OK 啊 ，selling, yes, selling. Plenty of you are saying selling. Absolutely correct. Selling, all right. Well done, well done. Selling, selling. All right, okay. So go away with the bull. Now come in with the sell. Okay, we are ready to sell from here. All right. So selling here, selling over here. Okay, selling over here. Now this is the part. Selling over here. Remember, okay, this part here we are going to sell. Okay. Sell, sell, sell. It's a good time to sell. Okay, we can only sell. Yeah, that's right. Yeah， 只能做空而已了，不能做多了。好，现在只能做空了。所以呢，在这里的话，哈，我们这样讲的话呢 ，we can only say that this part here, okay, we can see that it's out of the transition. It's a time to sell. 对了，对了，全部都是做空的哈，很好，很好。写的好 ，OK， 很好。All right, okay, so yep, yeah, that's all. Okay, then let's go. Today we are actually talking about now. Okay, Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Okay, let's see Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen today. Today in Aussie yen, okay, I will draw. Okay, let me draw again. Okay, and for this, okay, over here. Now this part here, 可以吗 Okay, right. So this part here, Aussie yen. Okay, good. Okay, all in to sell, right? All in to sell, okay, D mark mark, okay. All right, so now, okay, 有哈，好的。Okay, so now over here, let's see, in this Aussie yen, okay, Aussie yen over here, okay, Aussie yen over here, we are preparing to sell, right? Preparing to sell, okay. Yes, preparing to sell. So once we are preparing to sell this Aussie yen, so when are we going to sell Aussie yen? 什么时候才开始要卖，对不对？ Okay, so now we are going to understand the situation. Okay, now we are going to understand the situation first. Are we into the bear market? Yes or no? Are we into the bear market? Yes or no? OK， 我们现在是在熊市里了没有 ？Yes or no？ 在熊市里了没有 ？Yes or no？OK， 我们现在在熊市里了没有啊 ？No No Why there are so many no？ OK， 没有啊。Okay, yes, that's right. We are still in the transition today. Right now, we are still in the transition. Absolutely, Man Wai, you are correct. OK， 还在熊市里面不是，还在 transition 里面还没有到熊市还没有到所以还没有的。OK, good. Thank you, Christine. Thank you, Roger. 好的， so 这个就是在 transition 里面OK, so Euro Dollar. Let's take a look at Euro Dollar. All right, CK, thank you. OK， 好了 Euro Dollar. Okay, for Euro Dollar, let's take a look. Okay, over here at the highest point, let's take a look at the highest point here. All right. Okay, this part here. Okay, let's take a look. It's obvious, right? I think. Okay, so this part, this is the support level. Let's see. Okay, you see. Okay, now over here. Thank you, Mark. Thank you. 38 VR. Okay, now over here, support level is here. Now went up, it comes down, support level is here. We have a support level here. Let's see. Over here, the support. Okay, so once it breaks below, comes again, breaks below again. Now, this part. Okay, I'm going to talk about this part here. Okay, this blue chart, from this blue chart onwards, is this a bull or a bear? This blue color, this blue box, is bull or bear? Bull or bear? OK， 这个是牛市还是熊市？在我这个蓝色格子里面，是牛市还是熊市？是牛市还是熊市？在这里 ，OK，is bull or bear？OK， over here, this blue box here. OK, it went up. OK, from here it went on the bull, comes in with a support and breaks the support. And now into this area. Okay, Man Y was saying bear. Okay, the rest, many was saying bear. Correct. Congratulations, you are in the bear market. That's right. So from here all the way down, you have about 400 over pips to go. Okay, that's good. Okay, mock bear, 38 VR bear. Okay, yeah. Okay. Good. Okay, it's still bear. Yeah, very good. It shows that you have the understanding here. Mark bear. OK， 这样的话就代表说你们已经了解了OK， 所以呢，都有一个 transition 转换站。You have a transition， 你有一个转换的地方。Then once you break the transition, it's going to the bear. Okay, but we cannot guarantee 100% that you're going to go for 1,000 pips. Okay, there's no such thing. All right, so at least you know you're in the bear market. Okay, so when you're in the bear market, you know how to react. All right, Okay, so that's pretty cool. Okay, I think it's very easy for us to understand over here. Okay, okay, 这样的话就比较容易哈。Okay, okay, right. So now today we manage. I don't know many percent what's the percentage, okay, that you understand from today. All right, okay, from today's sharing, I hope it helps. Okay, so after watching this video, remember to give me a like. Okay, remember to give me a like, click on the subscribe button as well as to ring up the bell as well. All right, okay. So 在这里的话呢，希望大家会有，我也不知道你们有多少的 percentage 你们理解哈。如果你们要跟我分享啊，让我知道啊，这个今天晚上跟你们一起看这个转换，每一次呢一个图开始来的时候都有一个转换嘛，对不对？这个转换过后哈，那么我们是应该要怎么看它是不是在转换的过程，还是呢它已经突破进入了熊市，好不好 ？OK。好，这个哈 ，OK， 希望大家能理解哈，让我知道我今天跟你们分享的东西你们喜不喜欢哈 ？OK，All right，Well, time really flies. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye again. All right. So I hope this video is helpful and hope all of you enjoy this video as well. Okay. Okay. Before you go, all right, remember to give me a like. Okay, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. So you have any comments, any feedbacks? Remember to leave it below my comments here so that my team and myself, I will seriously take into consideration of whatever you wrote there, whatever you're going to write there, okay, so that we can improve, so that I can bring more people into this community and really make everyone to have a profitable trading every day. And I also like to invite you, all right, in GMT plus 8, 13:30, okay, from 13:00 to 13:30, okay. This half an hour time, I need some time to do out the analysis work so that I can go live to have the forex trading plan for everyone, including myself. Okay, so that we can trade better, we have a clearer direction. So remember to tune in at that point of time so that you can get live updates. All right, okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video again. The last time I'm going to say this. All right, if you have a question, shoot your question. If not, can say good night. Okay, all right. 很开心的你哈，每天都看你那么开心。是的，我每天都很开心。啊，很开心，很开心，是。OK，all right，很好，very good。啊哈，是的哈，可以。Roger，你在这个KL 哈，OK，好的哈。在 KL 哈，什么时候过来找你哈？好啊，好啊，应该还要等一段时间了哈，现在等一段时间哦。现在我们这里可以飞，大多数都去澳大利亚先了哈，我们都应该会先去 Australia 先。Yeah, I think for us, if we're going to fly, we may be flying to Australia first. Yeah. So Lisa, Sharon, Mika. Yes, probably we can see each other offline, huh? Yeah. All right. Okay. Yes, I think that's going to be interesting as well. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you have a very good idea there. Yes. Yes, I'm streaming to different platforms. That's why, but my main platform is still on my YouTube. Okay, it's still on my YouTube. But of course, uh, yeah, still on my YouTube. But I have a few YouTube. Is it all right? Okay, different platforms are okay. Yep. Hmm. Okay, so yes. What you're actually experiencing is probably a retracement. Okay, I have a question here. Okay, like for example, you are saying that over here, when you hit on the support, okay, this is actually one of the retracement. Okay, it may be a reversal, but over here, one look I can tell, okay, this is only a retracement. It has not reversed the direction yet. Okay, it has not reversed the direction yet. Okay, all right. Thank you, Mr. Bong. Okay, yeah. So it's still a retracement. I will wait for the retracement to end before I continue the selling. Usually, when the retracement comes, I will stop trading for a few days. All right. Then after that, when it comes back for the ending of the retracement, then I will start to short again. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. Exactly. Okay, that's good. That's a good question. Yeah, you see, the rest of people in the group also say that's a good questions. Yeah, very good. You're encouraging each other to ask questions. That's fantastic. Okay. Yep. I think it's about time. It's about time for UK to have a tea time, a tea break for the day. Yeah. Are you in UK? You seems to be very familiar with UK. Haha. Okay. I'm online. I'm online. Yes. Okay. All right. So yes, that's right. Okay. And hmm. Okay, over here. 你还没有接受我在你的 IG 里面，是好，OK，等一下你们去看一看，OK，好，谢谢啊，等一下哈，OK，你的 IG 太多个了吧？OK，好，等一下，如果你看到是你的那个 IG 应该是台湾的吧？OK，应该是在台湾的 IG 哈。本人，什么啊？那个是什么啊？本人账户，什么本人账户不宜公开啊？是不是这样？OK 哈，好不好？All right, okay. So that's all. No more, not much question around. Not many question. Okay, shooting. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you Malaysia. Okay, and thank you Malaysians in Canada. All right, and also thank you Korea, and also Thailand, Taiwan. Okay, and also people from Spain, Sweden, Italy. Okay, UK. All right, and the Europeans. I would say. I say. All right. Oh, of course, I cannot forget the Americans. Thank you so much for staying up over here in your afternoon. Okay, trading in the US market, and yet you are still in my life here. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, I guess it's really nice to be here with all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Okay. 谢谢大家. Thank you very much, guys. This is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you tomorrow. All right. Tomorrow in my Forex trading plan. Okay. Right. Thank you so much. And this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. See you.